Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check real battery health on my iPhone 17R. So look here, this is my iPhone 17R. I'm provide real battery health. So simply open your settings, scroll down, press on battery option, scroll down. Please don't skip my video. Click on to battery health. So look here, showing it to my battery health: normal, maximum capacity 100%, recycle count 5 times, but it's not 100% properly. So I'm provide full guide, don't skip my video. So open your any browser, like I'm open my Safari browser. Go to search option, search set to iPhone battery shortcut. Okay, then you get this website. Just press on, scroll down, then you get this option, battery status shortcut. Press on, then you get this interface. So you just add on your shortcut section, just press on to add. Now successfully add battery status on my shortcut option. So go back, open your main settings page, scroll down, click on privacy and security, scroll down, click on this and press on analytic data. So showing here, you just select any one, like I'm select the second option, click on to share option, press on more, and finally click on battery status. Okay, alright, now you get final result. So look here, my maximum capacity, normal charge capacity, recycle count, and my final battery health is 99.1%. So this is a final result.